Before we get started, let me give you a little bit of background information on myself. First, I've been with the Florida Institute of Technology as a faculty member in the College of Business since 2003. Currently, I'm an associate professor of management information systems. I do various research, such as research in enhancing government accountability, identifying better healthcare processes that enhance patient safety and process efficiency, and improve website designs from a usability standpoint. Prior to working for the Florida Institute of Technology, I worked for NASA Kennedy Space Center for over 10 years as a project manager and as a researcher. My educational background is that I hold a PhD in industrial engineering from the University of Central Florida. I also hold an MBA from the Florida Institute of Technology and an undergrad Bachelor's of Science in Business Administration with a major in marketing from the University of Central Florida. I hold 2 different project management certifications. One is from the Project Management Institute. This certification title is Project Management Professional. And I also hold a specialized project management certification in information technology, and that's from CompTIA Project Plus. Next, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the course objectives. I will be discussing project management, the definition, which to begin with is guiding a project from its beginning through its performance through to its closure. I will also be looking at the project management main objectives. This is planning for a project, organizing the project as a whole, and controlling the project. Next, I will be discussing the project management core elements. This is maintaining that correct balance between outcome, which is the quality of the deliverable that the project produces, the actual schedule, and balancing and maintaining all of the resources for the project. I will be distinguishing between different organizational structures, such as a virtual organizational structure. I will develop a statement of work, create a work breakdown structure, and discuss the purpose of network diagrams. I will also look at developing a resource matrix, using cause and effects diagrams to aid in brainstorming, and for this particular instance, we will be using the cause and effect diagram for looking at resource concerns for a project. Demonstrating the value of developing an organization chart for the project team, discussing the benefit of identifying the role of each team member to the entire team so that every single team member is aware of what every other team member on the team is responsible for achieving. I will show how to list clear roles and responsibilities for each team member, and also summarize different tracking and communication tools that assist the project manager in carrying out a successful project. I will also demonstrate a risk mitigation plan. This is very helpful to the project manager in identifying potential risks before a project begins, as well as a plan of action should the risk occur. I also will discuss the procedures for closing out a project. With each of these CD lectures, the main focus for each CD is to provide supplemental information that is not in the course textbook, such as examples of project management documents, such as a risk management plan, examples of a project management problem, such as a network diagram problem. The recommendations that I have for each of you to be successful in this course is to always read the assigned textbook chapters prior to viewing each lecture. Also, work through the software lessons, the chapter readings, and lectures prior to each test.